seen you guys since last year, 2022. So happy new year 2023. I'm excited because today's YouTube video, actually this is my first, I think, sit down video where I'm talking to you guys about one of my favorite handbags or brand of handbags. So today we are talking about Polène Paris. That has been one of my favorite brands for the last couple of years. I just bought a new Polene handbag in New York during Christmas time because it is their first American location. Polène Paris obviously is in France, so I was excited that they came to New York because I already had on my mind today, or not today, but I already had on my mind this year that I was going to France and going into this store and buying a bag. And yes, you can purchase them online, but why not just go to France and go into the actual store? But now I can just go to New York. So I went to New York. The store is fairly new. I remember when I went to New York for Fashion Week in September, the store hadn't quite opened yet. So when I went back in December, they were already open, so had to get me a bag. But first, let's talk about Polène Paris. So their bags, their collections are by numbers. So they have a number 1, a number 2, a number 3. The most popular staple, I believe, is the number 1. And I have 2 number 1s in my collection already, so let me show you those first. My first bag was this one. This is the number 1. It's black, it's leather, and it has like a croc flap on the front. And it has a top handle, and of course it has a strap that I keep tucked in. So this is the strap. Top handle, you can see it, croc in the front, and then it has a good amount of space in the inside. So what I like about this bag is that you can wear it like this. It also has 2 buttons on the side where you can like keep it closed like this. So this is it in black, very chic, very classic. I love it. And then their branding is very minimal. It has Polene right here. Super minimal. So this was my first Polene bag. I don't carry it much. I maybe carried it twice this year, but it is a really good bag, and I don't plan on getting rid of it. I'm probably gonna keep it forever because I love it. And then the second one, it is another number 1, but I also have it in this tan, I don't know, caramel color. It's so pretty. So this one also the same. It has the flap. Whoops. And then my strap is tucked in the inside. And that is that bag. So this is pretty much their classic shape of Polene bags. It's a very good bag. And these bags run about, if I'm not mistaken, $380, maybe $400, tax included. And the funny thing is, even when I went to New York, their price tag includes the tax. So what you see on the tag is what you pay. No other additional fees or anything like that. So these bags run about $380, $400, I'm assuming. And it's a really good staple to have in your collection because you can wear this with beige, brown, any color almost the same. The black is a staple to have in your collection. So if you're looking for an affordable luxury, I do think Polène Paris is a good bag. It's a guy on TikTok, I'll tag him below, but it's a guy on TikTok who cuts up luxury bags and pretty much tell you the quality of the leather, the type of leather that they use to make the bag, and if you're getting a bang for your buck or not. And he did that to a Polene bag, and he basically said that Polene bag is giving you your money's worth. Like, it's a good quality bag, you're getting your money's worth. So I think it's a good investment, and I'd much rather pay like $380 for a good quality bag than to pay $4,000 for a Chanel bag. Don't get me wrong, girls love Chanel, we love Chanel, but if you're not quite there yet and can't afford to splurge $4,000, $6,000 on a Chanel bag, then this is a good luxury bag to have, good quality. So let's talk about my new bag. So of course, me having 2 number 1s, I could not figure out, like, I love this shape, love this shape, and I was leaning towards getting the same shape but just in a different color. So the sales associate, really nice, he was like, you know, you already have 2 number 1s, let's try something different. I was like, all right. So I looked at the bags, and let me tell you, the store in New York is so aesthetically pleasing that they make you want all the bags. Like, you want all the bags and all the colors, gotta have it. So I end up, this is the packaging, and this is the box. So the box has Numero on the front, and I don't know if I said that right. Numero, I'm assuming it's French, but I got the number 10. I got the number 10 bag, and I was skeptical about this. It is a crossbody bag. The one that I really wanted was called the parka, I believe, but the only reason I didn't get the parka, because it's like a fun shaped bag, and the only reason I didn't get the parka is because it was just straight crossbody. Sometimes I like to carry my straps a bit shorter if I'm going to like an event and I just want like a small, like cute little bag, and just make the strap shorter to carry on my shoulder. But the parka did not have an adjustable strap. It was just straight crossbody. Maybe I'll get that in the future, but I did want a bag that was more versatile. So here is the number 10 bag. So the dust bag is super cute. This is the dust bag, and let's see the number 10. So I got it in taupe. And look how pretty this bag is. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but all of the luxury brands are moving towards this half moon shape bag. This half moon shape, I've seen so many people. I have a Burberry bag. My Burberry bag is half moon shape. I was just at Givenchy not too long ago. Givenchy has this beautiful half moon shape bag. So Poléne has this half moon shape, and he actually told me that this shape is the future of Poléne. He did tell me that while they will still have like their classic shape bags, that they're moving along the lines of this shape, which is the future, and it is a beautiful, beautiful bag. So I have the number 10 in taupe. It has gold hardware. The straps are adjustable. And it's a pretty good length. Once you make the strap shorter, you can carry it on your shoulder. And I love, love, love gold hardware. And I know there are times where bags may look better with silver hardware, but it's not my favorite. And I love that these bags come with gold hardware. And it's a pretty good amount of space in this bag too. Like, you can put your phone, your keys, a camera if you need to. It's so much space for a smaller bag. So you can see, and although it looks like these flaps on the bottom open up, they don't. I guess it's just to give the bag a bit of a texture, but you can see the branding on the front is very minimal, and it is the most gorgeous bag. It is the most gorgeous bag. This bag was $360 including taxes, so not terrible for a luxury handbag. Good quality. The leather is like, you can just feel the quality in the leather. I love, love, love this bag, and I can't wait to carry it more this summer. It's definitely going to be a spring summer bag, but it's so beautiful. So this is the number 10. So if you're looking to shop at Polène Paris, they are in Soho. Also in Paris, in France, and of course you can shop online. But this bag is beautiful. It's the number 10. It comes in multiple colors. If you decide to get a bag, a Polène bag, like, you can't go wrong with any bag. You can't. The way the bag is made, the quality is made, the colors, the textures, if you have that minimal aesthetic, these bags are perfect for you. If you don't have a minimal aesthetic, these bags are perfect for you. They're just such good bags. I will travel with it. I will carry it if I'm just being casual. You can dress them up, dress them down. Really, really good bags. I would say I would put Poléne maybe in the same, maybe Coach, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't want to say that. But anyway, great bag. If you're looking for a cute, small, versatile, adjustable strap handbag, Polène Paris is your go-to. And that's just a suggestion, but I love the brand. I'll probably get another bag by the summertime because it really is an affordable luxury if you're looking for that price point and a luxury bag. So thank you for watching my Polène bag review. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.